Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Our topic for today is completing the scare method. Hello students, today our topic is a solution of the quadratic equation with completing the scare method. So student, what is this? This is a quadratic equation. We have to solve it by completing the scare method. So in this method, our first step will be we will transfer the constant term to this side. This means plus 3 will be transferred to this side. It will become minus 3. Now the coefficient of x here should be 1, but here is 2. So we will divide with the coefficient of x here, dividing by 2 both sides. 2x square by 2 minus 7 by 2x equal to minus 3 by 2. Did it got cancelled? Now what we are left with the x square minus 7 by 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is equation number 1. This is our equation number 2. Now x square coefficient is 1. Our next step will be we will take the coefficient of x and multiply it by 1 by 2 every time. We have to multiply it by 1 by 2 every time. What we will get? 7 by 4. And make the square of that. 7 by 4 square will be equal to 49 by 16. Now add this square to this square in equation number 2 both sides. Now add 49 by 16 to the both side. Now it will be x square minus 7 by 2x plus 49 by 16 is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 49 by 16. Now what these three terms will make every time? This is x square, this is 7 by 4 square, and this term can be written as minus 2 into 7 by 4 into x. If we simplify that, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. This is a minus b whole square. This is x square, this is square of 7 by 4, a square plus b square minus 2ab. It make a formula. And if we solve this side, this is 16 is the LCM, minus 20 plus 49. Minus 24 plus 49 will be 25 by 16. It can be written in the form of 5 by 4 square. Now we will taking square root both sides. Taking square root both sides. Now x minus 7 by 4 will be equal to, one time we will take plus 5 by 4 equal to, and next time we will take it a minus 5 by 4. Because I will remove the scale. One side we have to take the sign of plus and a minus. This is plus, this is a minus. To find the value of x, we will transfer minus 7 by 4 this side. 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4. 4 is the LCM. 7 plus 5 equal to 12 by 4 will be equal to 3. So first value of x will be 3. Now we will transfer this value to this side. It will be 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. 4 is the LCM. 7 minus 5 will be 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. These are our two answers. So students, this is the completing the scale method to find the roots of a quadratic equation. With the help of the previous example, I hope you have understood the completing the scale method to solve the quadratic equation. I am taking another example to make you more understand this method. So what was our first step? This is the quadratic equation. What was our first step? We will transfer constant to this side. Plus 3 will go this side in a minus and write it as equation number 1. Now x square coefficient is 4 dividing by 4 to make it 1 dividing by 4. If it is already 1 then no need, but it is here 4 so we have to divide by 4. So 4x square by 4 plus 4 root 3x by 4 equal to minus 3 by 4. We are left with x square plus root 3x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now what was our next step? Take the coefficient of x, this is root 3. Take the coefficient of x root 3, multiplied it by 1 by 2 and then take the square of that. What is the coefficient of x? Root 3 multiplied by 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. Take the square of that. It will be 3 by 4. Add 3 by 4 both sides in equation number 2. It will be x square plus root 3x plus 3 by 4 equal to minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. They will cut down. What about that side? This is x square. This should be a square. This is the square of root 3 by 2 square plus 2. We have to express is 2 into root 3 by 2 into x equal to 0. A square plus b square, it become a complete square. It is the square of x plus root 3 by 2 square equal to 0. This side of the after completing the square become the 0. So we have the repeated roots. X will be equal to minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2 in this equation, and in other equation it will be a perfect square equation and it has the repeated root. Now we have studied about this is a positive side, this is the side equal to 0. There is one case also, if right hand side becomes after completing the square a negative number, then the roots of the equation we will write does not exist, or this case is not possible in the 10th class. Let us see by an example, my dear students. Now students, this is the quadratic equation which we have to solve by the completing the square method. Let us apply our method on it. Our first step will be we will transfer constant to this side minus 1. Then take the x square coefficient is already 1, so no need to divide. We will skip this step here. Now we will take the coefficient of x, this is 1, divide it by 2. Now make it a square, it will be 1 by 4. Add 1 by 4 both sides. So x square plus x plus 1 by 4 equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 4. It will be x square, it is 1 by 2 square, it is 1 here, we can write it 2 into 1 by 2 into x is equal to, we will take 4 LCM here, minus 4 plus 1. This is x plus 1 by 2 whole square equal to minus 3 by 4. But a whole square number cannot be equal to a negative number. So we write a real roots does not exist. This is the completing the square method to solve the quadratic equation and to find its roots. My dear student, I hope you have understood it and we will use it to solve the problem in exam.